Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It really does look like toothpaste fit for an elephant, but it is also a fun reaction experiment. One you'll want to do over and over. Common sense warning. Do not eat or brush your teeth with elephant toothpaste. The 31st of July 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The original elephant toothpaste reaction, which uses a much higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide, can cause both chemical burns and thermal burns. While it produces a larger amount of foam, it's not safe for kids and should be performed only by an adult using proper safety gear. 17 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into oxygen and water. As a small amount of hydrogen peroxide generates a large volume of oxygen, the oxygen quickly pushes out of the container. The soapy water traps the oxygen, creating bubbles, and turns into foam.
Let's help you make your mark.
What you'll need: a clean 16 Oz plastic soda bottle, 1/2 cup 20 volume hydrogen peroxide liquid. 20 volume is a 6% solution. You can get this from a beauty supply store or hair salon. 1 tablespoon, 1 packet, of dry yeast. 3 tablespoons of warm water. Liquid dishwashing soap. Food coloring. Small cup. Safety goggles.
Take our lead.
What is elephant toothpaste? This large demonstration uses hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, sodium iodide, Ni, and soap. That is usually 3% hydrogen peroxide, and your local salon probably uses 6%. The 30% hydrogen peroxide is not something you would put on a cut or scrape, but it works perfectly for this demonstration.
Take our lead.
He also, inadvertently, create a new mixture that is much stronger and more explosive than traditional elephant's toothpaste, which he dubbed Devil's Toothpaste. The resulting explosion of food coloring and foam is more impressive than any special effect from a Hollywood movie. 25 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.